What happened last night? Last time I was here, I don't even know where I was. What do I call now? How about we just go on a trip? Yeah, a trip around the room. That sounds good. Tell me in the comments if that sounds good. Bye. Just kidding. Let's go. How about this way? Sorry. I'm sorry. Jeez. You can't just do a sorry. You gotta really apologize. Well, I don't know how to do anything else. So figure yourself out. How about you? How about you, stupid? Shut up. Don't destroy me. And kids, if you're watching this, don't be mean to people. And like and subscribe. Bye.